Paddle boat's technically alive. All it needs now is linkage and a battery, and it's ready to go. This is the speed control here. You can see it says 64 up there. Right now I just have a temporary little battery. This drops the speed. This turns the motor off. And that's a reverse switch. So that's my little paddle boat that I have created. Right now it's electric and pedal. So the linkage, as far as steering goes, I'm taking this piece off, leaving this intact in case somebody converts it back. I'm going to extend that all the way back to here, and that'll be the tilt. And overall, should work pretty good. This section here is actually going to be replaced. The top, this will be repainted. The top will be ABS black plastic, kind of the same stuff I use for my robotics all the time. So anyway, in theory it should work good. This is a used motor, may not last very long. For all I know, it's 100 years old, but that's the dealio.